Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Robert, there is something in the garden.
What is it?
I do not know. It is small and it is fast.
Who are you?
I am Johnny.
What are you?
I am a dog.
Where do you live?
I live here.
When do you eat?
Always.
Who is he?
He is Robert. He is a bear.
Who is she?
She is Chloe. She is a girl.
Where is her house?
It is there.
When do you sleep?
At night.
Robert. Stop her.
Why?
She has asked 8 questions in 1 minute.
Chloe, listen to Johnny.
What is your name?
My name is Johnny.
Where is your ball?
It is under the tree.
Who has your ball?
Nobody. It is my ball.
He is answering all of them.
Correctly. Everyone.
Robert, who is she?
Chloe, you just asked a question.
My name is Rosie. I am a rabbit. Rosie, you have not asked me anything. You did not ask me anything either. That is true.
Rosie, why do you ask so many questions?
How do you know things if you do not ask? Robert, you are not answering.
I am thinking. It is different. Rosie, that is the best answer I have heard in a garden.
Who taught the dog to speak?
I did.
What did you teach him?
English.
Where did you learn it?
Far away.
When?
A long time ago.
Robert. She got 2 answers out of you. I ask you every day and you say nothing.
She asked 4 in a row. It is a technique.
Can I stay? That is not a who, what, where or when. I know. It is a different question. Yes, Rosie. You can stay? Why? Rosie. It is a real question.